Okay, good morning, and today we're going to do some winter maths, and I've got some polar bears to help me. But if you haven't got polar bears, that doesn't matter. You just need to have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 to help you. So you could have them as maybe magnetic letters or plastic letters, or you might have them on blocks, or maybe your grown-up can just write them onto some pieces of paper for you, or maybe you could write them onto some pieces of paper for you. But because we've been doing winter, I've got polar bears. Now, the first thing we have to learn when we've got and we start to use numbers is something called amounts. That means we need to know that 1 means 1. Can you show me one finger? Brilliant. And 2 means 2 things. Can you show me 2 fingers? And 3 means 3 things. 1, 2, 3. And 4 means 4 things. And 5 means 5 things. And you can go on to 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's actually more important to learn before you know what your numbers look like. You've got to know that 1 means 1 thing, 2 means 2. So the first thing we're going to do today is find polar bear number 1. Can you see him up here? There he is. And I've got some snowflakes today. And I've got to find 1 snowflake to go with number 1 polar bear. So there's my 1 polar bear, and I'm going to give him 1 snowflake. Maybe you could use Lego bricks, and you could put 1 Lego brick by your number 1. Okay, my next polar bear I need is number 2. Remember 2 fingers? So I've got polar bear number 2. And for him, I need to find 2 snowflakes. So, let me see if I can find 1, 2. 1, 2. Again, you might use Lego bricks, you might use cars, you might use dolls, dinosaurs. Now, the next one is number 3 polar bear. Can I find 3 things to go with him? Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Now, if you're in 30 to 50 months, this is the sort of thing you want to be doing, finding 1 and 2 and 3 of things, okay? Then we've got to have a look and see which polar bear has got more snowflakes. Is it polar bear 1? Is it polar bear 2? Or is it polar bear 3? Yeah, polar bear 3 has got more. He's got lots of snowflakes. Polar bear 1 has got few. He's got less snowflakes. Then what we can do is we can take 1 and 2 away, and we're going to play a game with polar bear number 3. Because one of the things we've got to know is that even though he's got 3 snowflakes, if we move them around, does he still have 3? Or has it changed? What do you think? Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3. He's still got 3 snowflakes. Let's move them around again. Has he still got 3? Can you still see 3? Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3. Even though they moved, it's still 3. It hasn't changed. Watch carefully this time. You ready? Has he still got 3, or has it changed? 1, 2. It's changed this time. He hasn't got 3. So we need to be able to compare our snowflakes or our Lego or our cars, and we need to know that if we mix them up and don't take any away, the total is still 3, or you can do it up to 4. Don't go any higher. Okay, now the next thing we can do is start to recognise our numbers. So I'm going to put all my polar bears back up and see if you can help me find them. So, let's have a look today. I'm looking for polar bear number 1. Can you see? Polar bear number 1. 1. So we're going to put him right at the top. There's polar bear number 1. Got that 1 finger again? Brilliant. Now, where is polar bear Number 2, can you see him? Here comes the wiggly finger. Number 2. Brilliant. Polar bear. Number 2. 1, 2. Can we find polar bear number 3? Can you see him? Here comes the wiggly finger. Polar bear number 3. Got him. Now we need polar bear number 4. Ooh. Polar bear number 4. What comes after 4? Forward one more. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need polar bear number 5. Brilliant. Okay, so they're the numbers we have to learn first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our next number we have to learn is up to 10. So after 5, 5 had one more. I need 2 hands for this. 5 had one more is 6. Okay, so we need to find polar bear number 6. He's got a big round tummy. And 6 had one more. Do we know? Let's do it together. We've got 6. Add one more is 7. So we've got to find polar bear number 7. That's it. And then 7 add one more. Got 7. Add one more is 8. Okay. So we've got to get polar bear number 8. And we can get 1 to 9. Let me show you polar bear number 9. And polar bear number 10. Now next week we'll start doing some adding with the polar bears as well and the snowflakes. You can see how you put 2 totals together to get the total of them. Really enjoy finding all your amounts and matching them to numbers, seeing who's got more and seeing who's got less. Take care. Bye.